Unlock DALL-E 3's amazing feature, copy image styles in ChatGPT with a new parameter. DALL-E 3 now allows you to copy the style of an image. You can generate an unlimited number of images in the same style. Here's how to do it directly in ChatGPT with a new parameter. 1. Generate the first image. Start by generating an image from which you want to copy the style. This works even better if you specify a specific image style. Prompt, e.g., create a cartoon portrait of a man fishing. In this example, the style is cartoon. But you can use any style you like. Examples of styles: cartoon, painting, pencil drawing, realistic photography, collage, pixel art. 2. Obtain the gen_ID. DALL-E 3 now assigns a gen_ID to each image. This parameter is used to copy the style of an image and generate others that look similar. To obtain it, use the following prompt. Prompt, please give me the gen_IDs. ChatGPT will give you the gen_IDs of all the images you've generated. Copy the gen_ID of the image you want to reproduce, in my case, UBZ2F40LA5BKRL. Note, for the moment, each gen_ID is attached to a conversation. You can't use it in another conversation. 3. Create a new image. You can now create as many images as you like in the same style. Prompt, create an image of topic in the style of image, gen_ID. Example, create an image of a woman on a bike in the style of image UBZ2F40LA5BKRL.